G'day DIYers, I'm just about to do this niche now. I'll cut my aluminium. I've just finished the tiles around the top. I always do the tiles around the top, and then I'm only up and down, up and down, up and down once. So what I do here with the aluminium, I cut the same way all the time. It's going like that. I need a mitre like that I've marked. I do them all the same, and then I change my saw. That's one. That's two. That's three. 4 pieces, 4 miters. Then what you do is you mark them off. Right, they can be the 2 long pieces. They can be my top and bottom. Like that, like that. Always do a mark of the way the mitre is going. So that's my bottom. Top. 2 for top. Left hand side. Left hand side. Right hand side. Whooshka. Change the saw around. I recommend all DIYers get a mitre saw. Don't try and do it by hand. You know, these are only I don't know, in Australia, 150 bucks. Why would you do it any other way, with a hacksaw? Nah. The reason why I was going up and down a little bit, because like if you had a more expensive saw, it would have your line so you know where you're going. This is a cheaper saw, so you don't quite know when you're exactly on the mark. There, I've got to transfer it across, square it across. Like that. Right, that's the right hand side. That fits. That's the left. Oh no. The bottom, I think. My mark is rubbed off. Right, the bottom's good. That's the top. No, it's not. Left hand side. Cool. That's good to go. That's got to be... Hello. It's just a little bit tight. Okay, I'll trim that. I'll pop these in. Right, I'll pop these in and I'll come back to you shortly. I'll cut my sides so then I can show you how I put them in, and the top and the bottom. Okay, we'll see ya. Woo.